Hey y'all, Victoria Cherie here with Pretty Party and Crafty. Want to know how to make die cut stickers with an easy peel tab using your silhouette Cameo? Keep on watching. Alright, so let's get started with page setup. You're going to click on the first icon on your right side panel to open page setup. Select your machine, cutting mat, and media size to what you're working with. Then click on the last tab to turn on registration marks, and you're going to leave everything else with default settings. All right, close that out, and then you're going to go to Edit, Preferences, click on the Import tab, and underneath PNG, make sure Auto Trace is selected. It has a check next to it. Click Apply and click OK. This is a very important step. Do not forget it. Make sure you hit OK. Now let's bring in our sticker design. Go to File, Merge, and select your design and then click OK. I'm using Muchka clip art and I'm just going to do a Christmas animal. Click it, hit OK. Notice the red cut marks around the clip art. That's going to be the kiss cut of your sticker. So now we have to create the die cut portion and the tab. Select your design and click the Offset tool on the right side panel, which is the star with the border. Click Offset, and if you notice now you have an offset line, but we want to bring that distance down to 0. Once you do that, click Apply. Now click your clip art and move it off the mat. The offset you just created will become your die cut. So what we want to do is change the cut line color for that to blue. So click the new die cut. Change the cut line to blue. Now it's time to add the tab. Click the rectangle tool. I'm doing a rounded rectangle and place it where you want the tab to be. Make sure it overlaps the die cut and it's big enough to fit your text or logo. I'm adding my social media handle, so click the text tool to add text and adjust the font. Change the fill color to anything you want and change the cut line color to transparent. Size it so it fits within the tab without overlapping any lines. Now what we want to do is select the tab in your die cut. You're going to right click and weld the two together. Once you do that, you're going to select your text or logo that you added along with the die cut. Right click and group those two together. All right, next we're going to select your clip art and your die cut and we're going to align them. So I aligned them to the top and center. Your alignment tool is at the top menu. And then once you have those aligned, you're going to group everything together. Okay, once everything is grouped, go ahead and resize your sticker and we're going to get ready to print. I'm going to resize it to the size that I want my sticker to be, but because this is only a tutorial, I'm not going to do a full page. So if you go to the right side, you can click to fill your page. Mine is only going to fill it with 3. Again, this is just a tutorial. You can definitely fit more than that. And we're going to go ahead and get ready to print these out. So let's go to File, Print. I'm selecting my printer, selecting preferences, changing my photo paper type to glossy photo paper, and my quality is going to be high because I'm printing on glossy sticker paper. Once your sticker sheet is printed, go ahead and place it on the mat, load it into your machine, and you're going to click Send at the top. You'll notice that everything is red and set to cut. What we want to do is cut based on our line color. So let's click the Line tab at the top. Our first cut is going to be the red line, which will be our kiss cut setting. I'm going to change that blade to auto blade. The settings are blade 3. Force 10, speed 4. Our second cut is going to be the blue color line for die cut or full cut sticker settings. My blade is set to 3, force is 33, my speed is 4. Again, I'm using the auto blade. You may have to adjust these settings depending on how old or new your blade is. What I love about doing it this way is that it's going to do our kiss cut, then our full cut automatically. So let's go ahead and send this to cut. All right, so right now the Cameo is going through doing the kiss cut, and because I have an auto blade, it's going back to reset it, and now it's doing the die cut. But if you don't like the auto blade, you can always use a regular blade. And here you have it. This is our easy peel die cut stickers with that easy peel tab. So hopefully you learned something new. If you did and you'd like to see more, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment what else you'd like to see. Also, you can follow me on